This isn't your grandpa's pickup. This 1971 GMC C1500 roars with a 350 V8 crate engine, rides on massive 20-inch wheels, and blends classic style with modern performance like nothing you've ever seen. Stick around because this truck will blow your mind. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you love classic American trucks, modern performance upgrades, and jaw-dropping Restomods, you're in for a real treat today. Right in front of us is a masterpiece of automotive craftsmanship, the 1971 GMC C1500. Fully restored, meticulously upgraded, and loaded with modern technology. This is more than a truck. It's an experience, a statement, and a rolling piece of history all at once. Let's start with the first thing anyone notices: the stance. Painted in a deep, lustrous green, every curve and line of this truck commands attention. Chrome accents catch the light in just the right way, contrasting perfectly with the green bodywork. And then there's the custom cowl hood, subtle yet aggressive, hinting at the power that lies beneath. The vent windows have been eliminated, and a sleek roll pan replaces the old bumper, giving the rear end a clean, modern profile that screams sophistication while staying true to its 1971 roots. The bed is just as impressive. Equipped with a durable spray-in liner and a protective rubber mat, it's designed for both function and style. Whether you're hauling or showing off, it maintains that perfect balance between rugged utility and refined aesthetics. And those wheels, 20-inch US mags with 255 40 R20 tires up front and 295 45 R20 out back, give this truck a planted, commanding presence that feels ready to conquer any road, while ensuring it turns heads everywhere it goes. Step inside and the transformation continues. The black vinyl interior has been completely reimagined with custom bucket seats that offer support and comfort far beyond what you'd expect from a classic pickup. A custom center console seamlessly integrates modern convenience without compromising the vintage vibe. The digital dash displays all essential information with clarity and style, blending technology and nostalgia perfectly. Overhead, the billet tilt steering column, topped with a matching billet wheel, allows for precise control, while the underdash air conditioning keeps the cabin comfortable in any weather. And for your soundtrack on the road, a modern Bluetooth-enabled audio system delivers crystal clear sound that makes every drive feel like a concert. But let's get to what really matters: performance. This isn't just a restored 1971 truck. This is a performance Restomod. At the heart lies a Target Master / Goodwrench 350 V8 crate engine paired with a FiTech electronic fuel injection system for instant throttle response and modern reliability. Gone is the original carburetor, replaced with technology that gives you smooth, precise power delivery every time you touch the pedal. Power is transferred through a 700R 4-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth, precise shifts under all driving conditions. The suspension has been completely upgraded: front coil springs with shocks, rear coilovers with trailing arms and sway bars, ensuring handling and ride quality that feel light years ahead of the truck's 50-year-old chassis. Four-wheel power disc brakes provide stopping power you can trust, and power steering makes maneuvering effortless. And let's not overlook the Hedman headers, which enhance exhaust flow and bring a deep, throaty growl that perfectly complements the engine's power. Every detail has been thoughtfully considered: the chrome mirrors, the aftermarket headlights and taillights, the 12-bolt rear axle, and the roll pan aren't just cosmetic. They're functional enhancements that make this truck a joy to drive and show. Even the interior design, from the billet steering components to the custom dash and center console, has been meticulously executed to provide an ultra-luxury feel without losing the heart and soul of the original GMC C1500. This is a truck that you can drive every day, cruise on weekends, or proudly display at shows. It perfectly blends the classic style and character of a 1971 pickup with the power, comfort, and technology of a modern vehicle. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates the artistry of automotive restoration, this GMC C1500 delivers on every level. And here's the thing, $33,995 isn't just a price. It's an invitation to own a piece of American automotive history, meticulously upgraded for the 21st century, a truck that will never go unnoticed, that will always perform, and that will deliver smiles every time you fire it up. So if you're in Nashville, make the call, send the message, and experience the magic of this 1971 GMC C1500 for yourself. From the gleaming green exterior to the fully upgraded interior, from the modernized engine to the advanced suspension, this truck isn't just a vehicle, it's a legend reborn. Trust me, once you see it in person and hear that engine roar, you'll understand why this isn't just another Restomod. It's a full throttle celebration of what makes classic trucks timeless. And for those of you who appreciate the finer details, the craftsmanship, and the ultimate blend of vintage charm and modern performance, this GMC C1500 will leave you speechless. So don't wait, experience the legacy, the luxury, and the power of this 1971 GMC C1500 today. And as always, if you love this kind of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another ultra luxury classic car feature. Because vehicles like this don't just come along every day, they're built to be remembered.